Cowboys are a little confused. They don't understand why they stopped him on fourth down.
Daddy.
I mean, we could see him jump offside.
Hey, Charlie, can you say mama? You're silly. Say mama. Say mama. Can you say mama? Charlie, say mama. Can you say Bible? Bible. Oh! Can you say Bible? What is that? Did Pops give you that? Let me help you. Let me see. Charlie, let me see. Hey, don't shine that in your eye. Shine up the... You shine at the roof? Silly girl.